Want to get more out of the Preview app on your iPhone? In today's video, I'll show you some simple ways to use it like a pro and make the most of its features. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your device, tap on the Preview app. You can see the option of New Document and Scan Document here. Tap on New Document if you want to create a new document from start. You have the choice of an empty image, or you can copy one from the clipboard. If you want to scan your document, simply position the document in view and press the camera button. You have the option to retake the shot, or you can simply drag the corners to adjust your document. If you are satisfied with it, tap on Keep and it will be saved. If you have more copies to scan, continue the process until you are done with your final document. Then, tap on the blue tick at the top right corner and your scans will be compiled into one PDF document. Here you can tap on the share icon and send it to anyone via email, or you can save it to file to be used later. Next, let me show you how to edit a document. Tap on any PDF file that you wish to edit. Here on the bottom, you can see a few options: markup, text, crop, info, share, and search. Markup allows you to draw on the document with different options at the bottom. Once you're done, you can tap on the three dots on the top right and deselect markup. If you select the text option, you can tap on the blue plus icon and add a signature or add a text form box. The next option, crop, allows you to crop your document. Info here will display information about this PDF. The share button is where you can send this PDF to your friends via instant messaging, or save it to files, or even airdrop and email it. The last option is a search button where you can search for specific words within the PDF document itself. If you have a sensitive or confidential document that you wish to lock with a password while sending it to someone, simply tap on the PDF document to open it. Here beside the name of the document, there's a drop-down arrow. Tap on it. You can see the option Lock here. Tap on it. Toggle the option Require Password on. Key in your password and verify using the same password. Then, tap on the blue tick icon on the top right and your PDF document will be locked with a password. There you go! If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and